Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best channel in the world. Welcome back to a Phayte effect. Guys, this Christmas celebration, you need to switch up your meals. So we're saying no to boring food. Today I'll be preparing chicken and plantain pepper soup. I've got my diced chicken, I've got my crayfish, SCENTLEAF, and we've got plantains. You can use ripe and unripe, TATASHE and pepper, onions. And yes, I'm really excited. So if you guys are ready for this fantastic recipe, let's go. So guys, this is literally all the ingredients that I'm going to be using today to make this pepper soup. So you can save this video, you can screenshot it, so that when you want to go to the market and get your ingredients, it will be very easy for you. Somebody recommended this, so yes, I'm doing this for you guys. So right now I have my TATASHE and my pepper, I have my crayfish, and I'm just putting it into my small mortar, and I'll be pounding the living daylight out of it. You guys already know how we do it. So I'm going to pound it till I've crushed the pepper and the TATASHE. You can use your food processor, you can use your blender, but I actually just wanted to pound it so that I will not be tempted to add water into it. So yeah, I actually love pounding. I don't know, it just gives this like village vibe. So anyway, this is what it looks like so far. So now I have an empty pot on the fire. The fire is not on anyway. So I've added my chicken. I've added chicken feet because I love chicken feet, but it's totally optional. And yes, I'm adding, that pepper, TATASHE and crayfish that we just pounded. Yeah, I'm adding it. Now I'm adding our grated onions into the pepper soup. Yeah, over here I have my Vovam food pepper soup spice. This is available for sale in case if you guys want. They make fried rice spices, jollof rice spices. In fact, guys, just one of these Vovam, 1 spoon of this Vovam pepper soup spice will literally make your neighbor knock on your door. I'm not even joking. Anyway, I'm adding my seasoning, my Maggi and my salt to taste, and I'm adding 1 cup of water. You want to make sure that the water is above the chicken in the pot. You understand? It's pepper soup, so pepper soup comes with lots and lots of water. Anyway, I'm stirring it so that everything can just get into place. And now I'm also adding my multi-purpose Vovam food spice powder. It is also available for sale in case if you guys want to get yours. So this one is multi-purpose. You can add it in your soup, you can add it in your stew. In fact, it's just amazing. Now I'm going to cover it and leave it to boil for 7 minutes, just to get the chicken ready. After 7 minutes, I opened it and this was what it was looking like. So after that, I just added my diced, washed plantain into my chicken. So because my chicken has already been cooking for 7 minutes, it's almost tender because I'm using soft chicken. If you're using hard chicken, you can allow the chicken cook more. You understand? So now I'm just like mixing everything together, and after that I'll just cover it and leave it to boil till I'm satisfied. So I noticed that the water had reduced, so I added another cup of water. It's pepper soup, it's supposed to have plenty water in it, but one thing I made sure to do is stir it so that everything can just be in place, and I covered it and left it to cook. After that, I took my SCENTLEAF and added it into my pot. That was after the pepper soup had already started, foaming. But one thing about SCENTLEAF is that it just gives it that pepper soup feeling. So I totally recommend. I covered it, I left it to boil for about 20 minutes, until I was satisfied. My plantain was soft, my chicken was soft, everything was just giving, everywhere was just sating. I was just happy. And ladies and gentlemen, within 30 minutes, within less than an hour, our chicken plantain pepper soup is officially ready. In fact, as I am speaking to you, I am salivating, because what manner of goodness is this? For the love of God, I decided to make a pyramid, so I was just putting it on top of each other. I said, now I'm going to make my own Christmas tree with chicken and plantain pepper soup. And after that, I added the water. Guys, I'm actually serving you. Oh Jesus, oh, look at it. It's literally stirring. In fact, it was sainting, it was giving. In fact, guys, oh Jesus. And let's not talk about how good it tasted. So tell me, will you try this recipe? It is literally one of the simplest and cheapest things to do. It is very, 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 very easy. So even if you don't know how to cook, you can just put everything in the pot, follow this video, save this video, send it to your friends and your family. And yes, I will see you guys on my next YouTube video. Don't forget to turn on your post notification, because I'm going to be giving you guys content back to back, giving you back to back. I love you guys. Mwah.